is a truly global product and is an ultimate weapon of the world to end and start anything. The global market size for the cut flower market is 3 lakh crore, and out of that almost 30-40% is the market for cut roses. The top exporters of roses are Netherlands, followed by Ecuador, Kenya, then Colombia, and then Ethiopia. The top importer of the roses are US, followed by the top exporter Netherlands, then Germany, UK, and France. So the rose economy is an invisible hand economy. No one cares how does this rose comes into their hand, because what they don't know is behind every rose there is an orchestra of farmers, shippers, auctioneers, retailers from corners of the world like Ecuador, Colombia, Kenya, all harmonizing to deliver these blossoms into our hands in just one day. And what's interesting is there is no supply chain or a corporate level fancy process for this, all done by those invisible hands that this rose has touched. What's mind blowing is the price of roses and the oil are directly linked. Like in 1970 when the oil prices skyrocketed, so people in Europe were farming roses in their greenhouses. So the cost of heating the greenhouse also increased, and that is why the rose prices increased. Indian Society of Floriculture professionals have said that the export of roses from India have doubled due to the Russia-Ukraine war. In India only, there is more than 500 crore market of roses during the Valentine week. So how much did you contribute to this, and do you know which Indian state produces most roses?